Hi, my name is Dion. I'm an associate at Bacon Wilson, and I practice predominantly in the bankruptcy area. I'm going to talk today a little bit about home ownership and some of the financial problems that people incur when they fall behind on their mortgage. A number of issues will cause somebody to fall behind on their mortgage, whether it be being out of work for a period of time, a divorce, illness. Any of those things can cause you to miss a mortgage payment. The problem is, if you continue to miss payments, the bank is going to start foreclosure proceedings. I will tell you that the most important thing to do when you start falling behind on the mortgage payments is to take notice, be proactive. There are options that you have outside of bankruptcy that can sometimes help you keep your house and keep your home and keep your credit intact, but it's again important to be very proactive. One thing to consider is to contact the bank right away. Let them know that you've fallen behind. Give them some reasons as to what caused the delay in your mortgage payments, and you'll be surprised. A lot of banks will actually try to work with you initially and try to get you back on track. If that doesn't work, you have other alternatives. If you're simply in over your head and you can't afford the mortgage payments, one thing is to contact a realtor. Find out if your house might be saleable, get it on the market to try to capture any equity you might have in your house. The other option is doing a short sale. Some people simply are underwater on their house. They simply don't have any equity and they're looking for some way out, but they can't sell the house because they owe more than what the house is worth. There are what are known as short sale options, which allow you in some instances to sell the house to a third party even though you don't have enough money to pay off the bank. If those are not realistic options for you, another is a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And what a Chapter 13 bankruptcy does is it allows you up to 60 months or 5 years to get caught up on your mortgage payments again. So for example, if you've fallen behind on your mortgage payments because you were out of work for a period of time, but now you're back at work, you have the ability to make your mortgage payments, but the bank is not letting you simply get caught up, you could file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which does a couple of things. First, it stops the foreclosure action. So if you have a foreclosure pending, the second you file that Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it stops the foreclosure. The second thing it does is it gives you 60 months to get caught up on your mortgage payments. So it's designed to give you time to repay the bank. You still have to pay them in full and make your normal monthly mortgage payment, but it gives you time to get caught up, stay in your home, to keep the house for your family while you're working through your financial issues. If you're able to make your payments through a Chapter 13 plan after the 5-year period is up, then you are back to square one. You've caught the bank up in full, and you simply resume making your normal payments thereafter. So there are many options that are available for people who have fallen behind on their mortgage payments, but it's important to be proactive, know what all your options are, talk to a realtor, talk to an accountant, talk to an attorney, make sure you get all the options on the table, and then you want to make the best option that works for you and your family. My name is Attorney Dion. I'm an associate at Bacon Wilson. If you find yourself falling behind on any mortgage payments or any other financial issues that you may encounter, feel free to give me a call at the firm. Thanks.